Okay, which oats should you get? There's steel cut oats. This is 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber per serving, and these are $4.49 for 21 servings. This one has about half the number of servings and is $2.99, so it's actually more expensive. It has 6 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. So there's actually a little bit more protein in these, and these are easier to cook, so let's get one of these. A really great high protein, high fiber food is walnuts. These have 4 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber per serving, and it's $6.99 for 12 ounces. Another really great fiber fruit is bananas. I like to get these every week. Okay, I drink a lot of this organic soy milk. This actually has 9 grams of protein and about 1 gram of fiber per serving, so I'm gonna get 2 of these. All right, and for our second recipe, we're going to do a no-cook banana walnut oatmeal. So this is a super simple recipe. You just basically combine everything into a container. I'm going to use my ball jar here. And then you can pretty much eat it within a few minutes after it's absorbed the milk, or you can even eat it right away. But I prefer to have this the next day. If I make this ahead of time and keep it in the refrigerator, it's just a really quick and easy breakfast or snack. You can also put other flavorings on this. You could put some maple syrup for some sweetener. You can use a different type of nut. You can use a different type of fruit, but I really like the combination of banana and walnuts. So I'm going to use my scale here to measure out. And then I also really love this funnel here. This is kind of really important if you're going to be putting food into a jar like this, because it really can get messy if you don't have one of those. So for this recipe, we're going to do 2 servings of the rolled oats. So we need 86 grams. I'm going to change my unit of measure to grams on this kitchen scale, and I'm going to tare it back down to 0 so that everything I add will be what I'm measuring. So let's do 86 grams. Oops. Okay, it's a little too much. Make sure you have everything back on the scale so you measure correctly. Okay, 88 grams, that's close enough for me. Then I'm going to add 28 grams of walnuts. Oh, I actually need to tare my scale first. Okay, then I'm gonna add 28 grams of walnuts. Now you can crush these up if you prefer, or leave them whole. I'm just gonna kind of leave them like that. Then I'm going to add 1 sliced banana. For the calculating the fiber, I used the measurement of 1 large banana. Okay, and then I'm going to use 2 cups of this soy milk. And I'll pour that in and show you what this looks like. Okay, so 2 cups of soy milk. And there you go. I'm gonna put the lid on and just probably give this a little shake, but that's all you need to do to make this banana walnut oatmeal. And like I said, you can eat this right away if you prefer, but it's even better the next day in the refrigerator. And this is like a really good camping meal, especially for high protein and fiber. So I'll share a link in the description below for the complete recipe and nutrition facts for this